Hello, my name is Ray Roland and I'm here to introduce you to the application Ovenit. Ovenit is an application that helps users to improve their oven cooking skills or learn new ones, from baking to roasting and everything in between. Let's start by logging into the application. Here we have the onboarding screen, but we will not be using this today because I'm here to give you the tour. This is the homepage where you can see the main options for the application that are experts, courses, and recipes. Let's start with experts. Here we have a list of all the experts that are available right now. If you would like to connect to an expert randomly, you can click on Quick Connect. For now, let's connect with Marta Green. Here we have Marta's profile. You can read the information about her and see what was his main focus. Let's connect with her. Here we can ask a specific question if we would like to. And here is the Marta agreement. If you agree with her conditions, click on I agree and let's start the connection. Now we have to make the payment for the expert. We will choose MasterCard and submit our payment. Here we have Marta explaining us how to do some cookies. As soon as we end the session, we can click End Session and we will have the option to rate Marta and write a comment. Let's do that. So we write a comment to Marta and we have finished our interaction. Let's go back to our home and take a course. Let's imagine that we would like to take the Cake Baking Basics course in the live courses. Let's select this course and we would like this course on September 18, and let's click accept the agreement. You can view the agreement here. Let's accept it for now and enroll to the course. Let's pay this time with PayPal. Let's submit our payment and here we go. We already are enrolled in this course. We can cancel here or change the date here. Now let's go to the recipes and see this option. You can click here or go back to the home and click on the video recipes. Here we have a list of all the recipes that are available, and if you would like to search for a recipe or make some specific filters, you can do it right here. So let's choose a margarita pizza. Here we have a little information about this recipe, the cost of the recipe. If you are interested in the recipe, let's click on Get Recipe. Let's pay with the MasterCard once again. Okay, the confirmation screen. Submit, and now we have access to the recipe. So this was a quick look at the Ovenit application. Thank you very much for listening to it. Have a good day.